All right, so I'm going to show you how to make really cool YouTube video descriptions, no matter if it's your first day doing it or you've been doing it for years. I'm going to show you how to use my bot. I'm going to have it in the comment below. So I'll have the link to the bot so you can do this yourself. But let me show you how to do this. So starting with, I'm on a website. I'm on my YouTube channel. And so this is the description I just created right here. It has all the emojis, it has the timeline, it has everything built in. So what I do is this. So what I do is first you got to have a transcript to answer the question. So I go in, I'll just go into a recent one. And this is what we were just looking at, okay? In 2026, Google changed the SEO rules. This unscrews you. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this transcript again. I'm going to copy it. Oh, it didn't copy, did it? Let me just grab it. Let me make sure I got it. It's pretty long, about an 18-minute video. Copy. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to my bot. And this will be in the description. You'll have a link to this, okay? So you got 8 questions to answer. So you're going to copy the questions. Oh, I just messed up. Hold on, I'll have to go back. Hold on. I messed up because I copied the other thing. There's the questions, all right? Now let me go back to where I get my transcripts. I use Descript. You might have other software to make transcripts for your video. Let me copy this again. Let me go back into the bot. Let me answer the first question is, give me the full video transcript. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little cheating here. Video title. I already have a title for this. Actually, that's not the title. The title is different than this video. The title is, let me grab this title on the video I was showing you that we're doing it for. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go in here. The title is Don't Get Screwed. In 2026, unscrews you. I'm going to, bam, do that. I like that better. All right, channel brand is Street Level SEO Pros. It's hell being a one-figure typer. Thank God I got a lot of employees. My primary goal, this is where I start cheating. So I have a copy and paste for everything, all right? And I have my locations for my business, my categories, everything. But up here, I have that really cool stuff. So my goal is, if we look at the question, primary goal of the video. So the primary goal of the video really is to, I'm going to do this. This isn't really the primary goal, but my primary goal is to get on a 30-minute Zoom meeting, or they can call me, or they can visit our office in Fort Collins, Colorado. I'm going to put it in there so it gives me the same thing. Your goal might be to get more YouTube visitors, okay? So I'm going to do this right now. Links to include. Okay, I have 3 websites. I have SEO Pro School Group. There's the About page. I'm going to copy that one and go back. I'll put that in. And then I'm going to grab Top Click Joe, my agency. I want that in there. Let me grab that. Top Click Joe. Let me go back here, put that in. I have a space, okay. And I'm going to add my Street Level SEO Pros website. So let me go to Street Level SEO Pros website. Here's that. Let me go back. You might have 1 link, you might have 2 links. It's up to you, whatever you have. So right now I have my school group About page. I have Top Click Joe. I have Street Level SEO Pros. Okay, that's good. Preferred tone. Gonna cheat again because I have my tone. Now you can copy this tone. All right, because this does really good descriptions inside of your business for your YouTube channel. Okay. Informational and conversational with extreme storytelling abilities. I love it. I love it. I love it. I use it all the time. So you can copy that for yourself. Call to action. How about, I'm going to do a CTA priority of join my YouTube channel. today. Bam. Okay, what is a character count? All right, so when you're in your back end here, you're allowed 5,000 characters. Okay, so if you go to the bottom, I don't know if it's going to show you this. It doesn't. It's 5,000 characters total. Okay, so I'll go in here and I'll say something like 4,800. I'll go a little bit under, and then I'm going to push go right here, and it's going to make my whole transcript for me. And it takes a second. So what I'm going to do is I will stop the video and I'll come back when it's done because it might take 2 or 3 minutes. Let me just pause and I'll be back. All right, so you can see it starting. That took about 4 minutes, but this is an 18-minute video. It says 4790 characters. I'm allowed 5,000. You'll see it has all the emojis, everything that you need. It talks about what the video is about. It has your timestamp. It has all the stuff. It has all your links and all that. Okay. What this will do for you is it'll create your descriptions really easily for your own YouTube channel. So if I go over here to the video, you can see it created it right here. Now, and then of course, it's already on this video right here is already on my YouTube channel. If I was to go to it right here, I can find it and I can see what that looks like down here. And you'll see my first comment right there. Okay. When on this other video. And then if I open this up, here it is. It has the timestamp that's clickable. It has everything I just showed you. Now it's a little different in that one because it doesn't duplicate content because I just did this one when I was building this video. But below this video in the comment, I will have the link to the bot. And I'll have a link so you can get to that bot and use it. You'll have to have your own Pro account. You can do this on a free account. I'll give you the link. You open it up. You go into your Pro account. Because if I gave you in my stuff, then you'd be using my credits. So you got to have your own account. They can be free or $20 a month. Okay, if you're going to do a lot of these. But hopefully this helps. It gives you an idea how to make your descriptions very easily. These are pretty important that they're done right. I created the bot, the prompt in the back end with the greeting questions makes it give you some really good stuff. Yours going to be different, of course. You got a different video. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. And hey, if you feel like it, join our YouTube channel. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now. And it was great doing this video for you. I really enjoyed it. I enjoy sharing.